Find the direction cosines and direction angles of the vector two I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Here we want to find the direction cosines and direction angles. Okay, here vector is given. We know that the components of the vector are the direction ratios, that is 2, 1 and 2 are the direction ratios, and when we know that the direction ratios, we get the find direction cosines. It is A, B and C. When we know A, B, C, we find the L, M and N. Okay, that is the direction cosines. Here given vector it is 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, its direction ratios are, it is A, B and C. It is 2, 1 and 2. 2, 1, 2 are the direction ratios. Let L, M and N are direction cosines of vector. Okay. Therefore, L is equal to plus or minus A upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, and that is equal to plus or minus 2 upon under root 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. It is 4 plus 1 plus 4, it is 9. Therefore it is plus or minus 2 by 3. It is a L. Then M plus or minus B upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, and then it is plus or minus B, it is 1 and upon 3. A square plus B square plus C square, it is 3. N plus or minus C upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, and then it is plus or minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Therefore L, M and N are the direction cosines. Okay, it is the first question. Therefore direction cosines of vector are L, M and N, that are plus or minus 2 by 3, plus or minus 1 by 3 and plus or minus 2 by 3 are the direction cosines. Now we find the direction angles. Okay, L, M and N. Therefore we can write L, it is a cos alpha. Therefore we can write cos alpha is equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. Cos beta is equal to, okay, here we can directly write the angle. Okay. Therefore alpha is equal to cos inverse of plus or minus 2 by 3. Cos beta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 3. Therefore beta is equal to cos inverse of plus or minus 1 by 3, and cos gamma plus or minus 2 by 3. Therefore gamma is equal to cos inverse of plus or minus 2 by 3. Okay. Here are the direction cosines and are the direction angles. Therefore direction angles of vector are cos inverse of plus or minus 2 by 3, cos inverse of plus or minus 1 by 3, and cos inverse of plus or minus 2 by 3 are the direction angles, that is alpha, beta, and it is gamma. It is L, M, N. L, M, N are the cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma. Okay. Now we see the next example as the same. Here, given vector 1 by 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay. Therefore, vector it is 1 by 2 I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 1 by 2 k cap. Okay. Now, here the vector it is 1 by 2 I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 1 by 2 k cap. Then direction ratios of the vector are, it is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 are the A, B and C are the direction ratios. मग direction ratios 1 by 2 as it is घेतले तरी चालतात, पण इथं मग 1 by 2 square 1 by 2 square 1 by 2 square वर 1 by 2 लिहायला लागणार. ओके. म्हणजे कॅल्क्युलेशन थोडी डिफिकल्ट होते. Then 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 are the direction ratios. Therefore we can take any proportional number to the direction ratios. Okay. Then throughout multiply by 2, therefore 1 1 and 1 are the direction ratios. 1 1 and 1. Here see carefully, 1 1 1 direction ratios 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 हे घेण्याच्या ऐवजी काय घेतलेत आपण 1 1 आणि 1 डायरेक्शन रेशियोज म्हणजे प्रोपोर्शन मधले कोणतेही नंबर घेता येतात. याला काय केलं 2 न मल्टिप्लाय केलं, नॉन झिरो स्केलर न मल्टिप्लाय करा. हिअर 1 1 1. नाव आता कॅल्क्युलेशन सोपं जाते. देन इट इज प्लस ऑर मायनस 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, and that is plus or minus 1 by under root 3. Then it is again plus or minus 1 by under root 3, and it is also plus or minus 1 by under root 3. Therefore direction cosines plus or minus 1 by under root 3, plus or minus 1 by under root 3, and plus or minus 1 by under root 3. Now we find the direction angles. Now it is cos alpha, that is L. Okay. Here it is a L is equal to cos alpha. L, that is cos alpha, and it is plus or minus 1 by under root 3. And therefore alpha is equal to cos inverse of plus or minus 1 by under root 3. Then M, it is cos beta plus or minus under root 3. And then it is beta is equal to cos inverse of plus or minus 1 by under root 3. And N, it is a cos gamma plus or minus 1 by under root 3. Okay. Therefore direction angles are cos inverse of plus or minus 1 by under root 3, cos inverse of plus or minus 1 by under root 3, it is cos inverse of plus or minus 1 by under root 3. Okay. All three angles are the same, alpha, beta and gamma. Okay. Here are the direction angles, and it is the direction cosines. Okay. And it is the direction ratios, direction cosines, and it is the direction angles. Okay. Now we see the next example. show that no line in space can make angle pi by 6 and pi by 4 with x and y axis. Here we have to show there is a no line in the space which makes the angle pi by 6 and pi by 4 with x axis. Okay, if the line in the space, then that line makes angle with x axis, y axis and z axis, that is alpha, beta and gamma, and the relation between alpha, beta and gamma, it is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1 if the line is exist. Okay, here we want to show that there is a no line in the space. Okay, first we consider there is a line which make this angle. Okay, here suppose a line makes angle pi by 6 and pi by 4 with x and y axis. Okay, that is alpha is equal to pi by 6 and beta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, then we know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Now cos square alpha, it is a pi by 6 plus cos square beta, it is a pi by 4 and plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Now it is a cos square pi by 6, it is a root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, pi by 6, it is a root 3 by 2, then plus 1 by root 2 whole square cos pi by 4 and plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Now it is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Then it is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, it is 4 plus 6 10 upon 8, it is 5 by 4 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1, and therefore cos square gamma is equal to 1 minus 5 by 4. Cos square gamma is equal to here minus 1 by 4 cos square. Okay, square is a negative. Okay, that is a not a real number. Okay, square of every real number is a positive, but it is not positive. Okay, but cos square gamma is not equal to minus 1 by 4 because it is a square, it is a negative. Okay, therefore there is a no line in a space. Okay, this condition not satisfied, so we cannot find the value of gamma. Okay, that is the third angle. Okay, therefore no line in the space which makes angle pi by 6 and pi by 4 with x axis and y axis. Therefore there is no line in the space which make angles pi by 6 and pi by 4 with x and y axis, okay, respectively. Okay. There is a no line because the value of gamma can't find. Now we see the next example. If Q is foot of the perpendicular from P 2, 4, 3 on the line joining the points A 1, 2, 4 and B 3, 4, 5, then find coordinates of Q. Okay, here Q will be the foot of perpendicular from point P on the line joining point A and B. Okay, now here suppose it is A and it is B. Okay, coordinate of A 1, 2 and 4. Coordinate of B are 3, 4 and 5. Now P, it is a point. P, it is 2, 4 and 3, and then perpendicular from P, and Q is a foot of perpendicular. Okay, foot of perpendicular on the line AB. Okay, now we find the coordinates of the point B. Here we see that the PQ perpendicular to the AB. Okay, here concept vector चा यूज करा किंवा डायरेक्शन रेशो यूज करा. Vector AB perpendicular to the vector PQ, that means their dot product is 0. Vector AB perpendicular to the vector PQ, therefore their dot product is 0. Okay, but first we want to find the value of Q. Okay, Q, it is a foot of perpendicular. Q, it is a foot of perpendicular on the line. Therefore Q is a divide line segment AB in the ratio k:1. कारण आपल्याला रेशो ही माहित नाही. Okay, consider it is a k:1. Q divides AB in the ratio k:1. Then by the internal division we want to find the first coordinates of the point Q. Okay, now here given that it is Q be foot of perpendicular from P 1, 4, 3, sorry, it is 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3 on line AB, where A 1, 2, 4 and B 3, 4, 5. Okay, here now find the coordinates of Q. Okay, therefore Q divides AB in the ratio k:1. Now we know the section formula by using the vector or Cartesian method. Okay, here the point, suppose x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2 and z2 and divide in the ratio m is to n. Okay, therefore it is a and b. C divide AB in the ratio m is to n. We can write by the Cartesian method. Directly coordinate of point C. C is m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n. Then m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. And m into z2 plus n into z1 upon m plus n. ओके, डायरेक्ट कार्टेशियन मेथड न लिहिलं. हेच आपण जर व्हेक्टर मेथड न लिहिलं तर काय लिहिणार? सी बार इज इक्वल टू m इंटू बी बार प्लस n इंटू ए बार आणि अपॉन m प्लस n. इट इज अ पोझिशन व्हेक्टर अँड देन अगेन आय जे के चे कोएफिशियंट. पुन्हा आय जे के चे कोएफिशियंट हेच येणार. ओके, हे झालं डायरेक्ट लिहिलं बाय सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला. तुम्ही इंटरनल डिव्हिजन आणि एक्सटर्नल डिव्हिजन कार्टेशियन मेथडमध्ये ओके व्हेक्टरमध्ये जाता पाहिलेलंच आहे, पण 10th सुद्धा हे होतंच सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला इंटरनल डिव्हिजन आणि एक्सटर्नल डिव्हिजन. ओके, फक्त 2च पॉईंट होते. ओके, इथे 3 आहेत एक्स वाय अँड झेड. नाव क्यू. ओके, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ क्यू. क्यू डिवाइड के इज टू 1 ए बी. ओके, हियर ए अँड बी. देयरफॉर वी कॅन राइट हियर 3k plus 1 k into x2 and it is 1 into x1, m into x2 and n into x1, m into this and n into this, k into b and 1 into it is 1 upon k plus 1. Then 4k plus 2, 4k and plus it is 2 upon k plus 1, and lastly 5k plus 4, it is 4, okay, upon k plus 1 are the coordinates of point Q. Here we know that the AB and PQ are the perpendicular. Okay, then vector AB and vector PQ perpendicular दाखवा. मग वेक्टर काढा. कोऑर्डिनेट्स माहिती आहेत, P माहिती आहे, Q माहिती आहे. वेक्टर PQ तयार करा. त्याच्यानंतर वेक्टर AB तयार करा. b bar minus a bar position vector, and then vectors are perpendicular, therefore their dot product is 0. Okay, when we create the vector, it is vector AB, it is b bar minus a bar, and then components of that vector, that is the coefficient of I, j, k are the direction ratios. Okay, so here we use directly direction ratios of that vectors. Okay, first direction ratios of AB are direction ratios of AB. It is 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2 and 5 minus 4. Okay, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2 and 5 minus 4. Okay, are the direction ratios. Okay, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2 and 5 minus 4. हे जर तुम्ही वेक्टर मेथड न जरी काढला असतो तर काय आलं असतं? b bar minus a bar, it is a coefficient of I, j and k. Okay, therefore the direction ratios a, b and c, here we take a1, b1 and c1, it is 2, 2 and 1, 2, 2 and 1 are the direction ratios. तुम्ही वेक्टर ab तयार करा. वेक्टर ab काय? b bar minus a bar, b bar minus a bar ते येणार 2i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2 and it is 5 minus 1, it is 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 2, it is 1 and 5 minus 4, it is 1. 2i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, it is vector AB and are the direction ratios of vector AB. 2, 2 and 1 direction ratios A1, B1, C1. Now direction ratios of PQ. Okay, why we find the direction ratios of AB and PQ? Because AB and PQ are the perpendicular. Okay, here direction ratios of AB. Now direction ratios of PQ, it is P and it is Q. Okay, therefore 3k plus 1 upon k plus 1 minus 2, it is the first. Okay, then 4k plus 2 upon k plus 1 minus it is 4, and 5k plus 4 upon k plus 1 minus, it is 3. Okay, here direction ratios. When 2 points are the given, then direction ratios are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z1. Here direction ratios of PQ, x1, y1, z1, and it is x2, y2, z2. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, it is z2 minus z1 are the direction ratios, and we can denote it is a2, b2, and c2. PQ, or it is a2, b2, and c2, and that can be written as here k plus 1 into minus 2, therefore minus 2k minus 2, then it is k minus 1 upon k plus 1. Then again here k plus 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4k minus 4, 4k minus 4k cancel, 2 and minus 4, it is minus 2 upon k plus 1. And here k plus 1 minus 3, minus 3k, it is 2k, and 4 minus 3, it is plus 1, and upon k plus 1. Okay, are the direction ratios of line PQ. Okay, now we know that it is AB and PQ are the perpendicular. Okay, here AB perpendicular to the PQ, therefore the relation between their direction ratios, that is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Okay, here direction ratios of AB A1 B1 C1 and direction ratios of PQ are A2 B2 C2. Then the direction ratios of two perpendicular vectors or two perpendicular lines, the relation between them, it is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. हेच तुम्ही जर वेक्टर मेथड न काढलं तरी सेमच येते. वेक्टर ए बी हे डायरेक्शन रेशियोज आहेत, म्हणजे वेक्टर कोणता असणार A1 I कॅप प्लस B1 J कॅप प्लस C1 K कॅप. वेक्टर PQ A2 I कॅप प्लस B2 J कॅप प्लस C2 K कॅप. And then two vectors are perpendicular, means their dot product is 0, and dot product is 0 means again multiplication of the corresponding components, and then it is dot product is 0. concept same आहे, तुम्ही वेक्टर कन्सेप्ट यूज करा किंवा डायरेक्शन रेशियोजला यूज करा, चालते. ओके, नाउ वी पुट द ऑल व्हॅल्यूज फ्रॉम दिस. देअरफॉर A1 it is 2 into k minus 1 upon k plus 1 plus 2 into minus 2 upon k plus 1 plus 1, that is C1 into C2 it is this 2k plus 1 upon k plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, throughout multiplying by k plus 1, therefore k plus 1 get cancelled, and then here take multiplication, it is 2k minus 2 minus 4 plus 2k and plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore we can write 2k plus 2k, it is 4k. Then here 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 and plus 1, it is minus 5, and therefore k is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, and k is a positive, therefore it is an internal division. Okay, here k is equal to 4 by 5, it is the value of k. Then put the value of k in the q, and then we get the coordinate of the point q. Okay, therefore okay, q, okay, coordinates of q are, it is 3k, that is k, it is 5 by 4 plus 1 upon 5 by 4 plus 1, 4 into 5 by 4 plus 2 upon 5 by 4 plus 1, and lastly it is 5 into 5 by 4 plus 4 upon 5 by 4 plus 1. Okay, here we put the value of value of k in this coordinates of q. Now we calculate this. Therefore q, here take straight calculation, it is 3 into 4 15 plus 4, 15 plus 4 upon 4 whole to the upon 5 plus 4 upon 4. Okay, it is the first 15 plus 4 upon 4, and here 5 plus 4. Then again here 20 plus 8, 20 plus 8 upon 4 upon 5 plus 4 upon 4. Then here 25 plus 16 upon 4 and whole to the upon 5 plus 4 upon 4. Okay, upon 4 get cancelled. Then q, coordinates of q are, it is 19 upon 9, 19 upon 9, 4 get cancelled. Here 28 upon 9, and here it is 16 plus 25, it is 41 upon 9. Okay, it is a 41, 4 get cancelled, are the coordinates of the point q, and it is a foot of perpendicular. Okay, the हाच क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर मध्ये युजिंग लाईन आणखीन थोडा सोपा जाते. तिथे इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन वरून पॉइंट काढणार, इट इज अ पॉइंट ऑन द लाईन, इट इज अ कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ क्यू, फाइंडिंग द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन. ओके, त्या मेथडने केला तरी चालते किंवा या मेथडने करा, एक्झाममध्ये तर कोणतीही मेथड करा. याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर लाईन अँड प्लेन, त्याच्यात सुद्धा हेच एक्झाम्पल सेम ॲज इट इज घ्यायचे. ओके, असंच एक्झाम्पल आहे. ओके, हे केअरफुली पहा. ओके, सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला यूज करा इथं, आणि त्याच्यानंतर डायरेक्शन रेशोज परपेंडिकुलर कंडिशन, that is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. Then calculation kara straight, k is equal to this, and put the value of k in this. Okay, and then we get q 19 by 9, 28 by 9, and it is 41 by 9. Okay, see carefully this.